remote controller, battery, and nut. Charger. Bait spreader base. Spreader. Charge the bait spreader. Open the charging port. Plug the charging cable into the charging port. Red light means charging in progress. Install the bait spreader, catch X max and deeper. Align the notch on the base with the charging port of the feeder. Then attach it in place. The side knob adjusts the tightness of the base. Mount the base and spreader onto the boat. Tighten the knob. The same installation steps apply to the deeper boat. Install the bait spreader, catch X Mini GPS. Align the holes on the bait spreader with those on the boat. Tighten with the nut. Use the bait spreader. Insert battery into the remote controller. Extend the antenna. Turn on the switch and check the battery level. Load bait. Press the remote button to activate the bait spreader.